Hello everyone. Now we are here solving one more important problem in the FE Mathematics Derivatives chapter. So, without no further ado, let's go jump into this problem. Given a equation y is equal to 7x power 4 plus 4x cubed z square plus 5x square z plus 6x z cube x plus 3z square plus 100. Big equation. This equation won't even fit in your calculator, so forget about using it. It'll take too much time to put all of that. So let's solve this problem with manual method. And what is required to be found is d square y by dx square. Okay guys, this is what is required. Now some of you who are very enthusiastic to solve problems fast, what you will do is you will apply differentiation for once and you will think you got the answer, which is wrong. For example, if you do only one derivative, it will become dy by dx, not d square y by dx square. For d square y by dx square, you have to differentiate the equation twice. That is the concept we are going to use. For those of you who would like to solve this problem by yourself, pause this video at this point, go apply differentiation and solve it by yourself. Okay, for those of you who would want to know the concept and learn this problem, now we are going to solve it using manual method. First and foremost, write the given guys, the equation, this whole equation, write it down and then check what is required. Required is d square y by dx square. That is what we require. Now the formulas for derivatives will be in page number 35. You can reach there by simply going to your search and putting derivatives, or you can use your bookmarks, go to mathematics section and find derivatives and integral formulas on page number 35. You will find this formula d by dx of u power n is equal to n into u power n minus 1. That is the formula you will find on page 35. And okay, I will just show you real quick so you have an idea. So this formula number 8 is the formula that we'll be using in this chapter. I simply also will call this formula as d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. That is how differentiation works. I will tell you in more layman terms. D by dx of x power 9 is equal to 9 into x power 9 minus 1, or x power. D by dx of x power 8 is 8 times x power 7. D by dx of x power 100 is 100 times x power 99. That is the concept of differentiation. As simple as that. Now let's apply this concept for our problem. So we have y that is given. Now apply derivative on both the sides. So this will literally become dy by dx on the LHS, on the RHS, d by dx of this whole equation. So I will just write it down for your convenience. So applying differentiation on both the sides, this will become d by dx, dy by dx. On the right hand side, it becomes d by dx of this whole equation. Okay. Now, if you solve the first term, 7 is a constant, and a constant in differentiation is not affected by multiplication. So 7 can be written on the outside like that. Now what we have is d by dx of x power 4. D by dx of x power 4 is 4x cube, like I explained you just 1 second ago. Okay. So 4x cube is written over here. That's how we solve the first term. Now second term is 4 and z square are constants, because the question is asking for dy by dx, where x and y are the variables. So z is a constant. Since 4 and z are constants, we can write 4 and z outside like this. 4 and z are constants. They are not affected by differentiation at all. So what is affected is x cube. D by dx of x cube is 3x square, which is why we wrote 3x square in the middle. Okay guys. Now in the next term, 5 and z are constants, which is the reason 5 and z were not affected when we are solving. Okay. Sorry, this became as a triangle. Okay. But what is affected is x square. D by dx of x square is 2x. That's why we wrote 2x in the middle, guys. Okay. Now next term differentiated is 6 z cube x. 6 and z cube are constants, so they're not impacted at all during this differentiation. What is impacted is x. D by dx of x is 1. That's why it's 6 into 1 into z cube. Now 3z square is completely a constant, so d by dx of 3z square is 0. So I wrote 0. D by dx of 100 is 0. That's why I wrote 0. So those two are just cancelled out. This is how the dy by dx is solved, guys. And that's how, and this I'm writing as equation number 1. Once you get to equation number 1, go and check required one more time, guys. Okay, so if you go check your required, what is required is d square y by dx square. You only solve dy by dx, not d square y by dx square. Okay, so let's write down the required one more time. D square y by dx square is equal to question mark. This we still don't know. Okay, now d square y by dx square can be simply written as d by dx of dy by dx, right? dy by dx is just found as the equation number 1 just now. Substitute equation 1 in this. D by dx of equation 1. That will give you this. D square y by dx square is equal to, I will, for your sake, solve this one more time so it's more easy to grasp. I will solve it with you this way. D square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of equation 1. Equation 1 is 28x cube plus 12x square z square plus 10xz plus 6z cube. Now if you solve each individual term, the first one will become 28 times d by dx of x cube plus 12 times d, here 12 and z square both are constant. So 12z square times d by dx of x square plus 10 and z are both constant. So 10 into z times d by dx of x plus 6z cube is a constant. So d by dx of 6z cube will be a 0, guys. I just simply write it down. 6z cube. This is completely 0. So here 28 times d by dx of x cube is 3 into x square, because x cube loses its 3, plus 12 times z square into d by dx of x square is 2x plus 10z times dx by dx is 1 and the other one is just 0. So if you solve this on your calculator, you will get 28 times 3, that is 84. 84 times x square plus 12z square into 2x. Let me just, 12 into 2 is 24. 24z square x plus 10z. That is your answer. D square y by dx. Whenever you get your answer, go check your required one more time. D square y by dx square. Yes, that's exactly what we found. D square y by dx square. Now let's go see the choices. Only after you check your required, okay? 84 x square plus 24 z square x. 84 x, option 84 x square plus 24 z square x plus 10z. That's your option 1. There you go, guys. That's how you solve this problem. So I'm very, very glad that I covered this problem, because it's a very important one, which actually came in the FE examination this year. So I hope you properly understood this concept. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. And I can't wait to give you more real FE problems that you will actually face in your FE examination, because these kind of problems are what will get you battle ready for your FE examination, guys. So with no further ado, subscribe to my channel and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have any kinds of questions, and I will gladly assist you as early as possible. So thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, see you next time. Bye.